and welcome our blood viewers to RTD's News English edition. As usual, we bring to you the major and top highlights of tonight. Launch of the Migration Follow Management Support Project, Ministry of Interior and the IOM. And in international scene, new Israeli strikes killed 970 Palestinians in 2 days in Gaza. Those were your major and top highlights. Welcome back to our newsroom, our blood viewers. The Ministry of the Interior organized an official ceremony at the Ayla Hotel to mark the launch of the project Support for Jewish authorities and non-state actors in managing migration flows. Funded by the European Union and implemented in partnership with the International Organization for Migration, IOM, this program aims to strengthen the capacity of national institutions in migration management. Located on one of the main migration routes in the Horn of Africa, Djibouti faces significant challenges as a transit country. The ambassador of Djibouti to Ethiopia and permanent representative to the African Union, Mr. Abdi Mahmoud Ebe, presented his credentials yesterday to the President of the Central African Republic, Faustin Tudera. He thus becomes the first Djiboutian ambassador associated to the Central African Republic with residence in Addis Ababa. On this occasion, he conveyed the greetings and best wishes of his Djiboutian counterpart, His Excellency Mr. Ismail Omar Egelle, as well as his gratitude for the support given to the election of Mr. Mahmoud Ali Yusuf as President of the African Union Commission. President Touadera, for his part, congratulated the ambassador on his appointment and sent his regards to the Djiboutian president. A major medical breakthrough has just been achieved in Djibouti in collaboration with the EMPH and the CHO of Morocco. Specialized teams from the military hospital have successfully performed cultural implant surgeries on 3 Djiboutian children. This feature marks a turning point in the management of hearing disorders in the country. Captain Dr. Abdi Uki, an ENT specialist at the Djibouti Military Hospital and the former students of the University of Djibouti, detailed the course of these delicate operations which were carried out in Morocco. He also announced that eventually these procedures will be performed directly in Djibouti at the military hospital. These advancements will strengthen specialized healthcare services and reduce the need for medical evacuation abroad. This achievement demonstrates the commitment of the Djiboutian authorities to developing national medical capabilities and providing cutting-edge treatments to patients, thereby reinforcing the country's healthcare sovereignty. The last 10s of Ramadan are the most precious of this blessed month, marked by intensification of prayer and worship. It is during this period that the night of destiny, Laylatul Qadr, occurs, a night whose spiritual value surpasses 1,000 months, according to the Quran. Scholars in the country, in a statement to the national television, emphasized the importance of these blessed days. They encourage the faithful to increase their acts of devotion and to avoid worldly distractions in order to draw closer to Allah, a key moment for the purification of hearts and the pursuit of divine mercy. In Djibouti, IGAD, in collaboration with the government, the African Union Commission, and Academia 2063, has launched an intensive training program on data collection tools and the biennial review of the Comprehensive Africa Agricultural Development Program. This initiative aims to enhance the skills of experts from member states to improve the monitoring and implementation of the African Agricultural Development Program. The objective is to optimize agricultural planning, increase investments, and strengthen the resilience of food systems in the face of climate change. The training conducted by specialists from the AUC and Academia 2063 brings together regional experts and IGAD representatives. A key issue remains the capacity building of member states to ensure an effective report within the framework of the fifth biennial CAADP report. This morning, the meeting hall of the Arta Regional Council hosted the first ordinary session of the Regional Assembly for the year 2025. Chaired by the Prefect of Arta, Mr. Hassan Dabale, this meeting was attended by the President of the Regional Council, Mr. Ilmi Bouh local elected officials, representatives of decentralized services, civil society, and neighborhood council presidents. On the agenda were the presentation of the achievements of the past year and the upcoming projects for 2025. During this session, several key projects were reviewed and adopted, including the strengthening of household waste management in the city of Arta. Shifting gears towards the international scene now, Israeli airstrikes on Gaza have killed 970 people in 2 days, bringing the total death toll to over 49,567 of October. According to the Ministry of Health, Hamas is calling on the international community to demand a ceasefire as Israeli bombings continue in Khan Yunis and northern Gaza. Benjamin Netanyahu states that the strikes are only just beginning, while this government reasons Itmar Ben Gvir as Minister of National Security. The Israeli Minister of National Security had opposed the January truce and advocates for an intensified offensive against Hamas. That's the yeah. Well, by this, our beloved viewers, by this we conclude this edition. Thank you for being with us, and make sure to tune in later for more as usual. Have a wonderful evening and take care.